Well, guys, I did a bit of sanitary cleaning. Now, here's how it works. Here is the metal diagram. Now, since it is AC power, you cannot see any electromagnet or coil device. Anyways, it's powered by this thing here. It's some kind of magnet, possibly, judging by the component here. Now, it's speculation, but I believe there is the diagram, the front. But anyways, I believe that the magnet, the current powers the magnet. When it is positive, it may attract it or detract it. If it is negative, then it'll be vice versa. Anyways, that is just speculation. Now I gotta put all this stuff back where it was on the alarm, remount everything, or readjust everything there. Now, thank you for watching, guys. Bye.